drifting 7 months ago. Now he drives a BMW E30.
Wow.
So
that's you drifting that? Wow. To say you've only been doing it 7 months ago?
Yeah, so he's also been tipped to win just about every competition.
Really?
Hopefully, that's what it is.
You've got a knack for it, buddy, then, yeah. Wow.
So he's going to take it out for a spin, yeah?
Really? Oh, brilliant, yeah, I appreciate that, mate. Thank you. Let's go, ready? Brilliant.
And then you can have a go.
Okay, right, okay.
So what car are you driving at the moment?
Honda Civic Type R, so not rear wheel drive.
Alright. But you'd be surprised how much you can actually learn and pick up on
car control and things, yeah.
You had a feel when you're in the car.
Yes,
right?
yeah.
Now I'm going to teach you the technique, yeah?
Okay.
What to do. Alright, so sit on a straight line, okay? You accelerate on a straight line,
yeah.
Okay? See that orange cone in the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah. When you pass that cone, okay, you turn in, you turn in just a little bit, so
okay.
Don't turn in like this.
Big, yeah.
Turn in like that.
Okay.
Okay, you only need this much, you only need the wheel to go like this.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't want it to go like that. Okay, just like this.
Slide, yeah.
And then you clutch in and pull this at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Whatever you put it, the clutch will be in.
Yeah.
Together. Okay, like this. And then when you release it, clutch come up.
Okay.
Okay? So turn in, you pull, then you hit it lock, you hit it.
Yeah.
And then the back end will start ticking out like this.
Yeah.
Once you feel that, let go of everything, let go of this, let go of the clutch, let go of the steering.
Okay.
Alright? And until you get the angle that you want it, then grab the wheel, back on the power.
Right, okay. Okay.
Let's go.
Right.
So straight, pass that, turn, pull.
Right, okay. Yeah.
It's like a sequence, like a step.
Yes, yeah.
You have to follow that. If you mess up the step, it's not going to work.
Yes, right,
yeah. Watch again. So accelerate on the cone. So we turn, clutch in, pull.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, okay. Clutch in, handbrake, let go of everything, catch the car.
Feel the car, feel the car. If you don't feel the back kicking out, yeah, you're not going to react to it. So you have to feel the back kicking out. Alright?
Okay.
Okay, go on. Turn fast. That's it, yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
I need to let go, don't I?
That's it, drive it back.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we start again on the straight, okay? So this time, on a straight line, I want you to go faster.
Okay, faster, yeah.
Okay. Flow it. Keep going, that's it, turn, pull, let go. Easy power, yeah? Okay,
let's start
try it again. Yes. When you spin, clutch in.
Yeah.
Okay.
The first time I've ever spun.
That's good. If you're not spun, then you're not trying hard enough.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
That's a good sign. Let's drive it back. Start again. So I'm not letting you going back until you do a full drift.
Okay,
right?
okay, that's cool. That's fine with me.
Alright. Alright. That's it. Turn first. Oh, back on the wheel. Easy. Keep turning. Come on, come out of it. Perfect. How's that feel?
Brilliant. Yes.
Yes.
Wow. That's great.
Right. This time, yeah. Just keep turning a little bit, okay? You need to tell the car where you're going, yeah? And,
Okay.
and try not coming off the throttle, like keep it steady.
Keep it steady, yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Constant throttle.
On a mid drift, like you try to come off it, but don't, just keep it steady, yeah?
Okay, okay.
That was very good. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, there. Turn first. Oh, let go. Easy power now. Keep turning. Keep on the power. Keep on the power. Keep on the power. Yes. Good correction, right? You were about to spin and then you turn it back. That's very, very good. That's very, very good.
Okay.
Really, really good. I like it. I like it. Good going.
Learned loads in a short space of time.
Really good.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Really enjoyed that.
Cool.
I think 2 or 3.
Can I use your helmet?
If you want to film it?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course you can. Wow. Oh, that was such a buzz. I can't believe how good that were. I don't want to be like every other YouTuber gets into drifting. I realise why. It's just so much fun. It's so buzzing. My dad's gonna have a go. See, I got about, I don't know if it were 2 or 3 okay, like finished runs. See how many my dad can get. But this guy, yeah, he is another level. As for such a young kid with so much talent, I mean, he proper showed me what he's capable with that car in that predicament. So if you've not seen Max before at Prodrift, please look him up and please just have a look at some of the stuff he's done, because him and his BMW, I've seen some of the photos, crazy, absolutely crazy. But yeah, I do, if you ever want to learn to drift and you don't have a car to do that and you don't have the resources to get everything you need, this is probably your best bet. Good luck!
How we doing, you alright?
I'm good, pal, you?
Good, thanks. I'm Tom.
How you doing, Tom? Comrade?
Conrad, nice to meet you, mate. So, have you ever drifted before?
No, never.
Fantastic.
So they're just teaching me dad through it, see how we can do it. So this is him in the passenger seat. Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Wow.
Okay.
Not further out than I thought it looked.
You ready to have a go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, so now we should be swapping over and let's see if he can crack it.
On this one,
Hold on.
first gear. So what made you decide to try drifting today?
Never done it?
Never done it?
No.
Got to try it, I guess.
Yeah. I can remember what you said.
Okay, so let's talk it through. First gear,
Yeah.
get some speed up.
Yeah.
We get to the cones, turn right.
Clutch.
Yeah.
Clutch down. Handbrake.
Yeah.
Then do I let go or do I hold it?
Then yeah, just give it a good jab, just enough to make the car start to slide sideways.
Clutch up.
As
And hold steering wheel where I want it.
as the car starts to slide sideways, we're going to release the handbrake.
Right.
Come off the clutch.
Yeah.
Let go of the steering wheel.
Okay.
Okay. Let it turn.
Right.
Then the car's going to slide, and then we'll pick a moment to accelerate. If we accelerate too soon, we'll probably spin.
Okay.
If we accelerate too late, we'll straighten.
Okay.
So you'll get a feel for this. I'd suggest holding this on the way in.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. So power, 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 now. So exactly, that was fantastic entry, like really good entry. All we did was we came on the power a bit too early.
Oh! than my first attempt. I didn't even slide on my first attempt, I just turned around the corner. Right, first spin out of the way. Oh, come on Dad. That's 2 attempts now.
This time, the gear bonus go in, do the handbrake entry but don't put any power on. Okay, just do the handbrake entry and you'll feel the car slide and it'll straighten up. Okay? And I'll tell you now when we normally put the power in.
So don't put power on until it's
Just don't put it on at all this time.
Okay.
I just want you to experience the feel of it sliding without the power.
I think it's going too far.
Okay. Let's go. Ready? Power, power, power. Go, 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 go. Okay.
Right,
So you feel how it slid?
Is that as far as it needs to go out?
That's where we want it to go. But as you feel where it starts to slow down, slow down, slow down,
That's when you give
we're
it.
going to put the power in. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going too early.
Way too early. Yeah, yeah. That's why I was spinning. Super aggressive. It's nice to see because drifting has to be aggressive, like
Yeah,
you know.
right,
but
yeah. It's
not-
just totally out of my comfort zone.
Excellent. It's the best place to be. When you're ready, he's over the finish line. We can go.
Too much power.
Just a tiny bit too much, yeah. But you had the entry started.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It was brilliant, that.
It was really good.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh, too much throttle, too much throttle. Nearly, so close.
How's it feel?
Good.
Good.
When it's going, I just didn't know. I didn't know whether to give more or release more.
Just a little bit less there. You'll get a feel, man. I mean, like, this is what, your 4th go and you're starting to drift, man. So, you know, imagine what you'd be like after an hour's drift training.
Yeah.
Or like a week's drift training or a month's. You'd be like going pro, man.
Ready?
Ready when you are, let's do it. So you just needed that little bit more there, which is good. You're learning each time because you're reducing it and you've got to put it on.
Come on. Yes, yeah, oh. Come on, Dad, come on. No.
It's quite grippy, this car as well, this one.
Yeah, it's a bit different to what I'm used to.
What do you normally drive? We'll go around to
I've
the
got a
right.
Vauxhall Insignia.
But you won't be doing this on the way home.
No, I won't.
Whenever you're ready, let's go for it, man.
Too low.
Just a little bit too much. You can feel it though, can't you?
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
Come on now, come on, this is the one. Oh. He's not having it, mate. He's not going to do it.
My son's done. He got 2.
Did he?
I got none.
We'll do one more. Well,
Yeah,
we'll do
thank
one
you.
more.
Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Let's go for it then. Pow, 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 pow. That's it, great. We're heading. Awesome.
Yes, yes, yes. Throttle. No, where's your throttle? Oh.
Thank you.
No worries. If you, I mean, you're picking it up quick. If you came to Birmingham to the drift school, I mean, we're open there 7 days a week, like crazy hours, man.
Yeah.
You can pretty much drift all night there as well. You'll soon pick this up in an hour, 2 hour sessions. You'll be going through level 1, level 2. Once you finish your rookie levels, you're up into the 350Z in the dry, smoking tyres. Then you like in the pro cars after that.
So what's it cost?
279 is a lesson at Birmingham on the rookie levels.
Right.
Once we start going up onto the semi-pro levels, it goes up to 359. But that's the car, the tyres. Every time you come to us on the semi-pro, you're shredding the tyres, man.
Yeah.
Like shredding.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Much
You did drive
appreciated.
it. Glad you enjoyed it.
Getting a briefing on becoming a better drifter, like yours truly. I'm coming for you, TJ Hunt, and an EC2 Prodrift career. Not really. You like it?
Yeah.
You were so like, on the last few you were like, literally, nearly at the end of keeping it. You were so close to keeping it. Wow. Do you need help taking that off? Oh, hello guys. I realised I didn't finish that video off, so I'm just wrapping it up now as I'm editing it about a week later. I found it really interesting editing this video because looking at from somebody like Max, who's pretty much started driving and drifting straight away. How quickly he's picked that up from me being quite a young driver and taking a couple of attempts and realising what I need to do, and then from somebody like my dad who's done half a lifetime of driving a certain way, not being able to shake the habit of having his hand on the wheel. It's crazy the learning curve from different age groups and different skill levels, and drifting's just so much more in depth than you can ever think if you've never tried it before. That's all I can say, and it was such an amazing experience. I've got to say a massive thank you to Prodrift Academy for not only having that event on that people can pay and go and have a go and try and do it themselves, but letting me have the chance to be in the car with Max. He's only in his very young teens, and the skills he's got is unreal. It's next level. So if you haven't already, please go and check him out, because he's up and coming 100%. And if you're wondering how to get to do that experience yourself, or get to have days worth of experience with training from novice level up to professional level, then go and check out Prodrift Academy themselves. They've also got an Instagram, and they've also got a website, which I'll put all these in the description below, and I'll try and put a little link up here to the website itself. If not, it's in the description. So thanks very much, guys. Hopefully the next video is going to be a very special one. Even though this one was quite special, the next one's going to be even more special. If you are enjoying these videos and you do like the channel, please subscribe and please click the little bell button so it reminds you when a fresh video comes on. And like the video so that it spreads the video around on YouTube, so more like-minded people like yourself can find these videos. I try and upload videos every Thursday night at 5 PM as a minimum. Sometimes like this time I can get enough time to put a bonus video on for you guys, so you've got an extra video this week. So until next time, guys, like I always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Sugar.